Have you ever been in a situation where someone speaks another language, and you have no idea what they're saying? Maybe you're traveling abroad, meeting people online, or reading something in a language you don't understand. Well, good news, you can now translate text in real time right from your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to translate text instantly using one of the best free apps available today. First, open your App Store and search for Google Translate. Yes, the classic tool you probably already know. But what most people don't realize is that Google Translate can actually translate live text through your camera in real time. Once you install the app, open it and tap on the camera icon. Now, point your camera at any text. It could be a street sign, a restaurant menu, or even a handwritten note. Within seconds, the app will automatically detect the language and overlay the translated text on your screen. It feels like magic. You can even pause the translation and select specific words to see alternate meanings or hear the correct pronunciation. And if you want to translate spoken words, tap the conversation mode icon. This feature allows two people to talk in different languages, and the app will instantly translate both sides of the conversation. Imagine talking to a taxi driver in Tokyo, or ordering food in Paris. No language barrier at all. If you prefer something even faster, try Microsoft Translator or iTranslate, which also offer real-time voice and camera translation. Most of these apps work offline too, as long as you download the language packs beforehand. So whether you're traveling, studying, or chatting with friends from around the world, real-time translation apps can make your communication effortless and natural. Download one today and experience the world without borders. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.